Da 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 na 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 na. It's the Doug's Food Journal Present Show. Da 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 da. And what are we having for dinner tonight, Donna?
Steak.
What kind of steak? Do you know?
I
think it's sirloin steak.
It's really good.
And what am I doing to the steak?
We're cutting it in pieces and
We can have some, Donna.
I don't know in my mouth. We're cutting it in pieces and we're gonna share it. The steaks and like that. And we had let me show you this one.
Yeah, show that.
And we having this. It's really good too. And duck and a piece of it. How is it, babe?
You did a really good job cooking it, babe.
Okay. What do you think, babe?
Thank you. Is that the word you're looking for?
No. I'm still recording. It's like 1. But now it's 7:37 right now. And it's February the 1st. It's been hot today. God bless. Bye.